Wala akong kopya hanggang ngayon sa Rome Statute or statute, whatever. Wala akong kopya. I do not know what I committed. Whether it's a crime, a wrong, or something. I don't know. Walang kopya ang executive department. Kasi nga ang nangyari, galing sa Congress, ni-ratify ng Congress, instead of returning the treaty as ratified by Congress, dito sa Executive Department ni Estrada at that time, hindi na nila, sinert circuit nila, dumiritso na kaagad sila sa Rome and appended the Philippine participation. Lumalabas nito, ng mga, hindi naman ako pinaka-bright na abogado, my withdrawal is construed as the publication. Na nabasa ka, kasi withdraw ako, sinabi ko lang doon sa staff sa Malacanang, withdraw ninyo yan. Hindi ko nabasa yan. I've never read that document. And so, wala talaga akong alam kung ano yung demonyo na yan. Wala akong notice, wala lahat. Now you want me prosecuted for... Ang withdraw ko was nothing really. It was an empty gesture of me. Wala kasi there was nothing to withdraw in the first place. Ginawa ko lang yun just to impress upon everybody that wala talagang batas. What in-withdraw ko, I was really withdrawing nothing. Because until it is established that there was publication, then it becomes a law. May certification ako sa Bureau of Printing at dito sa archives dito sa atin, sa Malacanang, wala talaga. So pag wala talaga, paano mo ako, why would you bind me on something na which I did not know? Yan ang tandaan ni Carpio. Justice man siya. Yan ang tandaan nila. Na if they can solve that riddle, well, ready ako. Ready ako to ignore